Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I make videos about freelancing, marketing and productivity. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I have always been an introvert all my life, and I do not like talking to a lot of people. I do talk a lot with the people I'm close with, but I do not talk to a lot of people also, which also hampers in many ways in my business. And I hate doing video calls and phone calls, so which has also affected a lot in terms of, initially it affected a lot in terms of my business, and it all taught me a lot. Asking more questions, talking more to people can help you get more business. There are some things that I had faced, and I don't want you to face as well, and the solutions that I'm going to be providing today. So I hope this video is super helpful if you are someone who has faced similar problems like me. First major problem that I had starting out was talking on calls. I hated talking on calls to strangers, and which was a really bad thing for me, because you have, in terms of freelancing, when you're closing deals and you're selling your packages, you have to be comfortable talking to strangers and selling your stuff. That's what sales is about. Initially it was really difficult for me, but eventually I got comfortable with it. Now the solution to this is, how can you get comfortable talking on calls? Just do more of it. Trust me, you will get comfortable eventually. I know that sometimes when a phone call comes and you dread inside that, oh, I do not want to pick that call up. Just do it anyways. I know it will scare you in the beginning, but you'll be happy that you did it. The second thing is video calls. I was dreading video calls like anything when I started. So what was the solution for this? The reason behind the thing is, you majorly think about how you look like to the other person, and you do not focus on what you can provide to that other person who is on the video call with you. So that is one thing that changed my thinking. Even if you do not look good on the video call, it's fine, because you are not paying for how you look. You're not getting paid for how you look. You're getting paid for the transformation that you're providing to the client, and that is what is most important. So keep that in mind always, and always go for video calls. Don't go for normal calls, because video calls give you a personal touch as well. So try to go for more Zoom calls and Google Meets, so that'll make you more comfortable and confident in speaking as well. Next, and the most biggest thing that I suffered was procrastination. And this had happened initially because I didn't know what I was doing, and I didn't even plan my days. Procrastination definitely set in, and it put me into depression after some time, because I had literally no work at certain point of time in my life. So having a plan of action will really help you when it comes to procrastination. Even if a needle is not moving in your career, try to stick to a plan. Even if nothing is working out, stick to your plan. That is the most important thing that I have learned. Fourth thing that I had a problem with was not getting enough clients, and I know majority of freelancers face the same thing. Not having enough clients is because you're not prospecting that much. Try to set up 1 or 2 days to promote your services every single day on various different platforms. Do not try to be too salesy, but try to provide information. Try to get out there in the market and try to promote as much as possible, because you never know which person is reading your content and will contact you. So try to put yourself out there as much as possible. So the last and the final point is, the problem is we are too lazy. So whenever you pick up a new habit and you get comfortable with it, it's really difficult to change something. So change is something that you need to be comfortable with. Even if it's new, try new methods. Even if something is not working out in your business, you should know that you are doing something wrong and you need to change that. but we are so stuck in our traditional ways of doing things that we do not realize that we're doing something wrong. So make sure that you evaluate yourself every single month or every quarter of the year. So try to do that and try to see the change that you can bring to your business with the change in the habits that you are doing. These are the 5 problems that I faced, and if you are someone like me, let me know in the comments below that if you have faced these kind of problems before. Apart from that, I hope this video was super helpful, and if you want me to make more such videos, then let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up so I can reach out to more people like you, and also hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next week. Till then, bye bye.